Red FM Guts and Glory, Salute 71, honoring the war heroes.
इंडियन आर्मी से मिलने या तो सिर्फ सच्चे दोस्त आते हैं या फिर खूंखार दुश्मन, और दोनों को ही आर्मी के खास मेहमान नवाजी मिलती है। एक सिपाही या तो तिरंगा फहरा कर आता है या फिर उसमें लिपट कर, क्योंकि कंधे पर 4 सितारे आसमां के कई 72 सितारों से बेहतर होते हैं। मातृभूमि की रक्षा एक फौजी का सर्वश्रेष्ठ कर्तव्य है। वो जीता ही इसीलिए है और बलिदान भी देता है तो सिर्फ इसी के लिए ही। युद्ध में अगर आपका नेतृत्व करने वाला ही सर्वोच्च पराक्रम का उदाहरण दे तो साहस आपका सच्चा साथी बनकर हर कदम साथ चलती है और फिर जीत अपनी ही होती है। बॉर्डर, वो जगह जहां से लड़ाई शुरू होती है और कई बार खत्म। अगर बॉर्डर तोड़कर घुसपैठ होने लगे तो फिर शांति प्रिय लोग भी अपना रौद्र रूप दिखाते हैं, और शांति तभी फिर आती है जब बॉर्डर सुरक्षित हो जाए। बात यहाँ इंडियन आर्मी की हो रही है। संयोग से हमें अक्सर पड़ोसी ऐसे मिले हैं जो हमें हमेशा चौकन्ना रखते हैं, और इसका एक फायदा भी है कि आप हमेशा सतर्क रहते हैं एंड यू आर ऑलवेज ऑन योर टोज। गट्स एंड ग्लोरी के इस सीजन के आखिरी एपिसोड में हमारे साथ हैं सेना मेडल से नवाजे गए कर्नल अपूर्व कृष्णा चैटर्जी, पर इनका काम थोड़ा अलग था। क्या, वो खुद बताएंगे बस थोड़ी देर में। रहिए हमारे साथ।
जय हो, वीर तेरी जय हो। जय हो, वीर तेरी जय हो।
Red FM Guts and Glory, Salute 71, honoring the war heroes.
सीक्रेट मिशन कभी कभी ऐसे होते हैं कि बाएं हाथ को पता नहीं चलता कि दायां हाथ क्या कर रहा है। ऐसे ही एक सीक्रेट मिशन पे थे 1971 बांग्लादेश लिबरेशन वॉर के बीच सेना मेडल से नवाजे गए कर्नल अपूर्व कृष्णा चैटर्जी।
I am Colonel Apurva Krishna Chatterjee. I was commissioned in the Regiment of Artillery in the year 1957. I was posted in Nuranang, a gorge. One day I got a call from my commanding officer to do a computer's course in Delhi. I went to Delhi and was doing the computer course. Suddenly, one day, one senior officer came to me. He told me that the military secretary wants to see you. I was quite surprised because I was a major only and military secretary was a major general, and he's got tremendous power for posting officers and promoting officers. So I immediately went to the military secretary's office, and military secretary, the general, told me, you are being posted to join a clandestine operation group. So you are posted to Kolkata. From there you will get all instruction as to what you are supposed to do and the other details.
पर जब मिशन आपका बहुत ही सीक्रेट हो तो यू हैव टू बी ऑन द मूव एनी टाइम, और हमेशा एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए आपको तैयारी रखनी होती है।
This was in April 1971. I came to Calcutta. One thing he told me, you are supposed to be in civils. You don't have to wear uniform because you are working in a clandestine group. So I said, no problem. And we started work. I was called by the director operations of that particular clandestine group. He said, look, you have to be there with me 24 hours. Any time you can move to any place. We'll have a chopper. Whenever I ask, 1 hour's notice, helicopter will be available in the race course. And we went there and we just traveled to places, many places.
और इन सभी सीक्रेट मिशंस के बीच एक और काम भी था कर्नल अपूर्व कृष्णा चैटर्जी का। वो था मुक्ति बाहिनी को भी ट्रेन करना।
Official war was not on. It was brewing up. Bangladeshi people were being killed mercilessly by the Pakistani soldiers. So that had to be stopped. That since there was no war declared, India cannot go in. just like that. So what happened? We were told that organize immediately a group of people from Bangladesh who ran away from there and taken shelter in the fringe of Kolkata, take them and train them to fight the battle. General Kalkat was the man to organize that. Bangladesh borders was divided into 6 sectors, A to F, and there was a brigadier in charge in each sector. Our job was to create problems for the Pakistani soldiers who are inside Bangladesh. They were trained to disturb them whatever is possible, create a problem where they cannot try and kill more people, more civilians, and we used to identify the team or the leader who led the killing Bangladesh civilian.
मिशन तो सारे चल रहे थे, लेकिन इस मिशन में क्योंकि ये सीक्रेट था, एक बार भी यूनिफॉर्म पहनने का मौका नहीं मिला था। तो कब मिला सेना मेडल से नवाजे गए कर्नल अपूर्व कृष्ण चैटर्जी को यह मौका? सुनेंगे आगे इन्हीं से। रहिए हमारे साथ रेड एफएम पे।
जय हो वीर तेरी जय हो। जय हो वीर तेरी जय हो।
Red FM Guts and Glory, Salute 71, honoring the war heroes.
गट्स एंड ग्लोरी के आज के एपिसोड में हमारे साथ हैं सेना मेडल से नवाजे गए कर्नल अपूर्व कृष्णा चैटर्जी। वैसे तो ये एक सीक्रेट मिशन पे थे, लेकिन जब लड़ाई की घोषणा ऑफिशियली की गई तो पहली बार इन्हें मौका मिला इंडियन आर्मी की यूनिफॉर्म पहनने का इस युद्ध के बीच, और इसको इन लोगों ने सेलिब्रेट किया।
Before war broke out, place called Akhora, Tripura, close to the border, and the headquarters were there. That time General Kalkat was there, and General Kalkat said, "Now go, all right. Now we are close to the border and battle is going on. I like to go to the place where the battle is going on." A briefing will be given by very smart officers of Bangladesh. One is Ziaur Rahman. He is not permitted to go beyond this particular line. And there was bomb and mortars and machine guns from both sides firing. He says, to hell with line, I give orders about this. And went to the front area. The war broke out and we started wearing uniform. Same job we are doing, but we are doing it openly. Earlier we used to hide ourselves from public view as far as possible because this is a clandestine operation going on. 3rd of December, war broke out. We celebrated because now we can wear uniform and with weapons and go into the field.
यूनिफॉर्म पहनने के बाद और वॉर की ऑफिशियल घोषणा के बाद रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज और भी ज्यादा बढ़ गई।
Thereafter, life was tough for me. Then I was given an office in Headquarters Eastern Command. This office was opposite General Jacob's office, and next door was General Arora, GOCC Eastern Command. For the war, we are behind the scene because nobody should know this is happening because war was not declared by then. This was month of May, June. I was given many jobs, important jobs I'll tell you. I was in touch with the Ministry of Bangladesh in exile. So I was dealing with in a way that whenever General Arora or General Jacob wanted to send some special papers, I was detailed and delivered those papers. I used to update about the operation, location of Mukti Bahini and all these details. Like this, I was moving around and I carried on. In the meantime, General Kalkat was posted elsewhere and General Sarkar came in. And General Sarkar is the man who was the military secretary who told me to come here. He told me the same thing. You will be with me and you will have the map and you will take all the noting and the beating that I have with the commanders of in the field. So this is your job. I did the job very sincerely. I think I have carried out the job very well.
कर्नल अपूर्व कृष्ण चैटर्जी फ्रंट पर अपना काम कर रहे थे तो घर पे उनकी धर्मपत्नी हिना चैटर्जी अपना काम कर रही थी। तो क्या माहौल था घर का, ये उन्हीं से जानेंगे बस थोड़ी देर में। रहिए हमारे साथ।
जय हो वीर तेरी जय हो। जय हो वीर तेरी जय हो।
Red FM Guts and Glory, Salute 71, honoring the war heroes.
गट्स एंड ग्लोरी के आज के एपिसोड में हमारे साथ हैं सेना मेडल से नवाजे गए कर्नल अपूर्व कृष्णा चैटर्जी, और उनके साथ उनकी धर्म पत्नी हीना चैटर्जी भी हमारे साथ हैं। तो जब लड़ाई फ्रंट पे चल रही थी तो घर पे कैसा माहौल था, ये मैम बताएंगी।
I am Hina Chatterjee, wife of Colonel A.K. Chatterjee. 1971 war, everybody knew that there is something going on, but it was not out in the open. Media was not very active. It did not come out so much to the public. The day the war broke out, I got a call and he was very happy. I said, what are you happy for? This is a war. He said, no, we have been waiting and now it has come out and now we are very happy. Something good is going to happen to us. But I was a little scared since he was in the headquarters itself. Suddenly I would find in the middle of the night, he would be sitting near the landline telephone, waiting for a call to come from some sector, giving him some sit-reps that this has happened so that in the morning he can give it to the general. All I can say is that he has always been a good husband, a good father. He's had a very good career. I'm very proud of him.
After the surrender ceremony, it was great. Actually speaking, whatever I said, that is never enough. It is not that she is MA, BA done, been principal of schools, but she has got keen eyes. She has been very kind to me also. I think I am very lucky to have Hina as my wife.
कर्नल अपूर्व कृष्णा चैटर्जी की तरफ से हमारे लिए खास मैसेज है।
I would tell the youth, if you desire to join, there is no better job in the world than joining the armed forces, that you have a chance to serve the nation.
अब जैसे जैसे इंसान की उम्र बढ़ती है वो बहुत अमीर हो जाता है। बालों में चांदनी आ जाती है, आंखों में मोती, दांतों में सोना, किडनी में पत्थर, खून में शक्कर, ये सारी चीजें आ जाती हैं। लेकिन जब भी उनके कर्मों की बात उनसे पूछो तो उनकी आंखों में 1000 वॉट के बल्ब सी चमक आ जाती है। और यही इस बार के गट्स एंड ग्लोरी में भी हमने अनुभव किया। ये देश हमेशा ऋणी रहेगा इन वीरों का और इनके परिवारों का, और इसी कारण हम भी पूरे गर्व के साथ इनके साथ अपने देश के लिए कहते हैं, जय हिंद।